In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remaster a song using Suno AI. Whether you're a seasoned music producer or just someone looking to polish that one tune you can't stop listening to, these steps will guide you to achieve a more refined sound effortlessly. To begin this process, first, ensure you've logged into your Suno AI account. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the song you wish to work on. This is an exciting part because you're about to transform that track into something even more crisp and clear. After identifying the song, go ahead and select it from your dashboard. You'll notice that Suno AI provides a user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze, which is ideal whether you're new to audio editing tools or looking for something straightforward yet effective. Now that you've selected your song, you'll see an array of editing options available. What you want to do next is look for the remaster option among these tools. This feature is precisely what you'll need to enhance your audio quality. It's designed to help you bring out the best in your track by optimizing its different sound elements. Once you've selected the remaster option, you'll want to focus on adjusting the audio settings. This part can make all the difference in your final product, as it involves fine-tuning some crucial aspects of your song. Start with the equalizer settings. These allow you to balance the different frequency components of your audio. Tweaking these settings can improve how the bass, mid-range, and treble sound. Next, take a look at the loudness levels. Ensuring that your track has the right volume is crucial to prevent any distortion and to make sure it stands out as intended. Finally, you have the clarity settings. This particular adjustment can make a huge impact by reducing any muddiness in your track, making each element of your song shine through more clearly. After you've made your adjustments, it's important to preview the remastered track. This step lets you hear the changes you've implemented and gives you a chance to fine-tune any settings if necessary. Listening through it carefully will help you ensure that your edits have enhanced the track without losing any of your original song's essence. Once you are satisfied with the preview, you are all set to save or export the improved version. This is the final step in the process where you securely save all your hard work, allowing you to enjoy or share your newly refined song with confidence. And that's all there is to it. These straightforward steps make remastering your tracks on Suno AI a seamless and rewarding experience.